Oh, now I do. Chad's gonna play with the controller, and he's gonna change colors for us. These are PixelLights, and they are amazing. I cannot believe how bright they are. Green. He could shoot a pattern back out of that and do a pattern. So Chad is going to pick a pattern. Holy moly, look at that. That is so awesome.
The same as the neighbors across the street.
Oh, that's Halloween. That does look spooky. Wow. They're like so faint and subtle in different places. Light blue flicker. Now look at that. Oh, they're fading. See them fading?
Mm-hmm. It's supposed to be orange.
Orange. Looks pretty red.
Go to one of those
House.
Yeah.
They got a little twinkle to them. See, even the subtleness of it.